Alright, so I'm coming at you today. I'm gonna be I put this cover on here. I still gotta put some cotton batting in here to fill this out some. But also I gotta get the Wildcat emblems put in here. So I'm gonna be laying that other cover up on top of here and marking where these Wildcat buttons should go. Alright, so what I wanna do is measure from here, try to flatten this out the best I can, to here. So from here to here is 16. So then 8 inches is where I want this line to come through here. At 8 inches, okay? Then when I come from the middle of that line, flat, this is like 3 and 3/4. Alright. And this line will come through here, so then that way I know this button is centered. Alright, so I want to come from here to here, and I hope this new cover and this cover is bigger. So that's what I say, this guy didn't do these right at all. Alright, so I gotta change this, but from 16 and 3/4. Okay, so let me come this way first. What did I say? 3 3/4. Let me go look at this, make sure. So from 3 3/4. I want to put a small little dot there. Alright, so then here we got 16 and a half. So my center spot is going to be right here. Alright, so I want to get these clips off of here. So what I want to do is I want to straighten these out the best I can, and just see, like, have that Wildcat sitting where I want it to sit, and right about in the middle of where that needs to be. And I don't want to put too big of a slash in that vinyl, but just enough for it to push through. Alright, so now that I got that through there, what I do is take my marker and I want to push it in that hole. I'm going to do the same thing for both sides. So that way, because the foam, I'm going to have to cut the foam out because this button pushes in a little bit. So, got to do both sides like this, guys. Alright, so what I got here is that that's where the 2 dots are, where that emblem sits in there. So I'm just trying to cut this on the angle. And I don't want to cut all the way through the foam. because it needs something in the back to catch on to. But I do want to cut a nice, as close to a rounded surface that I can get here. Inside the razor blade is dull. I just want to round this off. Small indentation in there, so that button will have something to sit off in. There we go. Okay, you see the rod running through here. What I got to do here is that I have to cut through and make sure I go all the way through on each side. On each side here. The part of the seat cover here, when I flip this on the other side, it goes on this rod in here. Alright, so with that, I want to find where I cut through here. Here, and right here. Alright, so I'm going to mark that with the marker. Both sides. So now, I don't have my ruler here, so anything that's straight, you can draw a straight line where you know. You got to do this on both sides. Then I can cut this open. Okay, so then that little hook thing just slides into here. And like I said, this piece here is gonna go down through there and clamp onto that that rod up under there. So alright, so after all that's done, all I'm doing is coming in and buttoning in this just putting the hard rings in on this seat cover here. Alright, then in this little corner here, when they're like that, you can just pull that welt cord up and just staple both of them down like that. Alright, so I put that cotton batting in here to puff this up, smooth that out a little better. These seat covers was a little too big. They fit pretty good though. but just had to put cotton batting in there, fill these out. But that's how it is. Now I just got to put these buttons in here. Okay, so with the buttons, I just want to push these through. Now I put some cotton batting in here, so it's got to push through that cotton batting. I got to get it to push through the Alright, so now I got them pushed through here. Okay, so you see the two rods sticking out of here. So what I got to do here is put these on there, push them down. So I want to push this up. Push that down on there. You see that? Then I want to get the other one. And I'm going to push them back over these springs. Push that on there, and then the Wildcat buttons are on there. So I do both sides. Now maybe once Bob get here, he can push a little harder and I can push this side down just a little more because it's cocked up this way. But or else I could probably do it myself off camera if I sit this thing up right and get the right handle on there. But that's it in a nutshell, guys.